Now I chose this image as my detail because the full painting is Vincent van Gogh's Wheatfield with Crows, and it was long supposed that this was his last ever work, which couldn't have been true because it was completed in early of July 1890, where he died July 30th, 1890. He had completed several works after this painting. Now I think that it was believed to be his last because it would have been so perfect in a way. It's deep contrast between the bright yellows and the dark blues of the sky create this sort of uneasiness and ominous atmosphere as the crows come flying out of the yellow wheat up into the blue sky, turning into black at the top. However, his last painting was actually a brighter painting called Tree Roots of a bunch of trees and a clearing in a forest with their roots sort of upturned out of the ground.